We made this.
Shaking a bit, damn, I'm shaking this shit. Put me a rapping on this shit. Put me a rapping on this shit. Most of these raps feeling behind this shit. Catch me up, catch me up, catch me this shit, this shit. I'm trying to say my best, damn me, I'm staying the shit. I'm wrecking these niggas, catch me hopping, I'm killing you niggas. This is me, cut my dress off, cut me a nigga. Will that still make me a menace if I cut my dreads off? I guess. No. I'm gonna keep it there. Y'all catch me up hop. Now you can chill. Catch me hop and I'm damn niggas. Bad niggas. Put up niggas. Hawk me up. Damn. We gon' hawk the niggas. Catch me up. Catch them to the graveyard bed. Catch to the graveyard bed. Them niggas gonna spin again. I don't care about dead folks. I choke Kim folks. Fuck about the hot dope, man. In the window. Go to the graveyard bed. Don't shoot their ass, don't kick their ass, don't down. I'm hopping this shit. Catch me hopping, I'm ready to spin. I'm an evil speak. That means there's no this shit. Catch me, they catch me up popping, I'm ready to shit. I'm not gonna regular. I mean, shit, bitch. Not gonna regular. Hey, not gonna regular. Knock it up, knock it out, knock it off, and then shit. And niggas don't bang and shit. 3 in the Glock and shit. And niggas don't talk about Reffy. Damn me, talk about him. Speaking of Reffy, he speaking on my name and shit. Damn me, got knocking this shit. Speak on the game, you for a bitch. Damn. Trey speak on my name. You gotta die in this shit. Get knocking this bitch. Damn, get knocking this shit. Why? We going up in this shit. Damn, I'm smoking this shit. Damn. Smoking this shit, but if that strong back coming down, I can't even knock this bitch. That mean, guys jumping this shit. I see these rappers got jumping this shit. I see these rappers got shit. Hey, you hate me or you love me? That means I'm trusting that bunny. Niggas, they funny, huh?